opponent does this one. Out. Shoot it. Yeah. Because now I got 2 in my body. And I'm higher than 1 in my body, right? Telling you too much.
No, it's okay, I understand.
And like in like a 15 years, I'm gonna do this with you and you're gonna be like, boom, boom. I'm gonna be like, come on, we're old now. But you got good knowledge about sharing, man. Yeah, don't let it go straight. What happened? Yes, don't let it, because I'm shorter, right? I should never touch the body. Just hit the top of the head, not good. Pushing it down. When I shoot for body, yes, yes.
Brother!
Yeah, that's true, man.
Yeah?
True. What happened? Yes, yes, yes. Instinct. As soon as I'm right here, even if I don't go for body, make me afraid, right? Make me afraid, man. There you go. You see how much I had to lean? You should have hit back. If you can't hit back, step, come over. Yeah? You're getting it. You're doing good. That's all. When you came out like this, I could have shot over. As soon as you hit that body, come back up hard. Don't leave no openings, right? Show me your shoulder when it falls. So no hand up. Don't move your shoulder, move your hand. There you go. Keep the hands up just a little higher, but this is why. Keep your chin down. Yeah. You're gonna touch. But you can look closer to the judge, right? And then just one little movement of the head, they'll give you a point there. There you go. Straight beats the hook. Straight always beats the hook. Because your hands up. So what you should have did, you should have did straight. Yeah. Hook only good when we're here. But when you're there, my straight will beat your hook. Make sure your bigger toe always facing my nose. Yeah, you're doing it. Good. So your jab comes out nice and crisp, man. You should have got me back. What you should have? You should have got me back, man. Why? You should have hit me, right? You should have hit me. I was going back. Nothing. But that's good. I didn't get nothing, you didn't get nothing. So in the judge's eyes, they're really watching now. Don't leave, don't leave. Don't leave. Don't, oh, and you fell off balance. If I shot forward, not good. Always balance, right? And you know why? Too excited. Slow it down. Let's go. Okay, no move now. Right here, here. Okay? Why am I hitting you? We're not moving, you just know. We're doing light, two, my knuckles is open. Half it. Keep arms straight out. Come a little closer. Arms straight out. No move now, okay? Don't just don't like this, so you poke eyes. Go like this, because then you can touch. I did. You're not moving. You're just blowing now. But you want to move. But I want you to use these. I'll show you a couple times. I'll show you right now. Ready? Go back with the two hands. You miss one. Boom! Right here. Officer. Right here. Soldier. Right? So always remember. Yeah. If you did that, and you did it twice, you should have moved over. Again, you went the same way. Now the same way. Oh, lean. Now straight, always beats. An overhand away hook. Good job. You got lots of. You got straight. Right? You got European. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Breathe. Shake it off. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hands up. Hands up. Right wing, go back. Yeah, you're not tired. Okay, arm out. Arm out. Good. Think about it, right? Nice, there you go. See? When you mix it up, see? Hell yeah, man. There you go. Now slow down. Now, you got the cleanest shot. I ricochet. You got the clean shot. You'll point ahead. Now, there you go. Let's stop, okay? So you'll point ahead. Now, felt it. Close up a little bit. So go for it. Wing up. There you go, safe zone, see? I did one body shot. Who cares? Now I got your back. We 0-0 now. So now you gotta fight for another point. So now, off the line, mix punches. Okay? We'll do the same one. So when I mean that, I'm here. Okay? I want to be real safe because I gotta get that point. It could be the last 30 seconds. You don't want to draw in this around. Oh. See? Now I got 2 points. I block, but clean. Now you have 2 points. What do you do when you're 2 points behind? Make them up in the bottom. You're taller. So, go tight now. So you're here. You're 2 points down. There you go. 1 point down now. Nice. Now you're 2-2, see? Because those are safe, right? Your hands up. Hit them when you can. But now, what do you do now? Yes. There you go. Oh. Oh, there you go. Good, but what you should have done. Step back. Yes. Because I'm going in like this now.
Yeah.
I'm anxious, right?
Yeah,
So step back. As soon as I'm here, I was like, hey, I gotta make up points too. Okay? Yeah. Last time, 10 seconds. With 10 now, you're ahead of 1. Don't let anything come in. There you go. Move. Don't let anything get in. You got 5 seconds. Move. And there you go. See, it looks weird,
Yeah.
but you are ahead. Don't lose your advantage, right? You got